Clickfunnels vs Listhacking. Which one's better? Here we go.
Okay, so we're currently 4 minutes and 20 seconds into the big battle, and so far Mandy has finished her squeeze page, her sales video order form, and she's on the thank you page. And Chris is still working on, are you on the squeeze page? So if you're on this page, then I'm guessing you've probably heard some of the buzz and some of the hype about ClickFunnels, and you're probably wondering what is it and how does it work. So what I'm going to do during this video is do two things for you. First off, I'm going to show you a quick demo about what ClickFunnels is and how it works. And second off, I'm actually going to give you a free 14-day trial. That way you don't have to take my word for it, but you can go in there and play with it for 14 days for free, build out some funnels, and see exactly how ClickFunnels can benefit you and your company. Now, the first thing you need to know about ClickFunnels is you can actually build out 5 different types of funnels inside of ClickFunnels. The first are opt-in funnels. Next are webinar and automated webinar funnels. Third are actually full-blown sales funnels. Fourth are launch funnels. And then fifth, you can build out membership sites and membership funnels. Now, over the next 14 days, we're going to be releasing a new funnel type every single day inside of ClickFunnels. And so today, September 23rd, we're launching opt-in funnels. And that's what I want to focus on right now, is how you can set up your very own high-converting opt-in funnel inside of ClickFunnels. So let me jump over to the software and show you exactly how it works. Alright, now after you get your free account for ClickFunnels, this is what your members area is going to look like. Now, notice here on the left-hand side, you'll see all the different types of sales funnels you can create. You can create your opt-in, your lead capture funnels. You can create full-blown sales funnels with order forms and one-click upsells and downsells that integrate with your favorite payment providers. You can create webinar funnels and automated webinar funnels. You can create membership sites, launch funnels, and you can even develop custom funnels where you can create pretty much anything that you can dream of. But for the video today, I'm going to show you how to build an opt-in funnel right now. Now, the first thing you do is you come over here to the Create Funnel button. You click on that. After you create your funnel, you'll be taken right here to your funnel view where you'll be able to see all of the steps inside of your sales funnel. Now, because this is just a simple opt-in funnel, there's only 2 pages, your opt-in page and then your thank you page. But if you had a sales funnel or an automated webinar funnel, you might have 5 or 6 or even 10 pages here in this funnel. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come right here to my opt-in page. I'm going to pick which one of the templates I want to use. Now, there's a whole bunch of amazing designs here, so you just kind of scroll through here and find your favorite one. I think this one's pretty cool, so I'm going to pick that one. Now, after I select that template, it'll take me to a page right here where I can see a whole bunch of really cool stuff. I can see my stats and my conversions. I can set up split tests, email marketing, a whole bunch of other stuff. But first, I want to show you the editor because this is what really makes ClickFunnels different than all of the different page builders out there online right now. Okay, so now that I'm inside the editor, you'll see how simple and easy it is to really build any kind of page you want to. Now, we start with these basic templates. You can come in here really quickly and change out the headline. You can edit, you can change out the images, you can add your videos. But one of the coolest things about ClickFunnels is you're not limited by what's here on the page. You can simply go over any element, hover over it, and when you do, this little plus sign will show up. When you click on that, it'll give you the ability to add any of these elements into your template. So there's a whole bunch of things here. You can do bullet lists, order forms, images, pricing tables. For this example, I'm going to add a countdown clock. Add that to the page, and you'll notice the countdown clock pops in right here. Now, it's kind of dark, so I'm going to change the color a little bit from black to white. And you'll see it there, and then I'm going to change it from text only to a circle line because I think that looks really, really cool. I want to add a little more space up here, so I'm going to grab the margin top, make it a little bit bigger there, and boom, now I've got a countdown clock right here on my landing page. But let's say you decide that the countdown clock's cool, but you'd rather have it in a different spot on your page. All you just come right here, hover over it, grab it, and you can move it to anywhere you want. So let's say I want to put the countdown clock above the video. Boom, now my countdown clock is there. Let's say you change your mind and I think it actually looked better below the video. You can hover over, grab it, move it down, and boom, now my countdown clock is below the video. And that's what makes ClickFunnels so powerful. Other page builders out there, you're limited by what you can do and what you can create. With ClickFunnels, literally your imagination is the limit. You can add elements, you can do pictures, you can move things around, you can do anything you can dream of, you can create inside of ClickFunnels. And it's really exciting. So that's how you edit a page. And again, I can show you for days because I literally come in here and I spend a ton of time creating pages. It's so much fun. And I love it because I'm not a designer, I'm not a programmer, yet I can come in here and create beautiful, amazing pages and make them look exactly the way that I want them to look, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to save this page real quick. Then I'm going to exit the editor. Now, as I do that, there's a couple other things I want to point out here inside of the funnel view. Over here on the left-hand side, you'll notice it says 0%, and there's a little arrow moving down. And when I start driving traffic into the top of this funnel, it'll start tracking all the visitors and show me how many people convert from page 1 page 2, and so on and so forth, which gives me the ability to finally be able to see exactly what's happening with my traffic in one very simple, easy view. Now again, because this is just an opt-in funnel, there's only 2 steps here, but it's very easy to see how many people convert on page 1 and on page 2. Now had this have been a longer funnel, we have multiple steps, upsells and downsells. One thing that's really cool is in the past, if I decided I wanted to move one of my upsells up the, have my upsell number 1 become number 2 and vice versa, I have to have my programming team spend hours going in, editing the links and changing the pages around. But inside ClickFunnels, I can simply just grab this little arrow here and I can move the order of my funnels very simply and very easily, which is pretty awesome. So that's how easy ClickFunnels is to really rearrange, build out your funnel, and then be able to see you're tracking your stats all the way throughout this entire sales funnel. Okay? A couple other things I want to show you. We used to spend a few $100s a month just using tracking and split testing software. But inside of ClickFunnels, you can do it very simple. All you do is click on split tests, and then you can go and create multiple versions of this landing page and find out which one's going to convert the best. All I do is click on create split test. When I do that, I've got 2 options. One is I can create a new landing page from a completely different template, or number 2, I can use the exact same template and then just go back and change a headline or make a really small change if I like to. Then you notice when I come here to the split test tab, you'll see version number 2 of my page right here, and I can come back and I can keep adding multiple different versions of this page. That way if I want to split test 2 or 3 different headlines or different videos, it's very simple and easy to do inside of ClickFunnels. Now you can see I've got my control right here and my 2 versions of split test here. As traffic starts coming to this page, it'll rotate between the 3 different versions. I'll be able to start seeing charts and graphs to find out which page is converting the best. And as soon as I know which one's the winner, I click on the promote button, boom, and now that one becomes the control. Okay, you guys getting this so far? Is this pretty exciting for you? I know for me that at this point already, it's already replaced 3 or 4 of the tools that I use every single day inside of my business. Now I want to show you a couple other really cool features as well. The next one is this email marketing tab. Now inside the email editor, you can integrate Aweber or GetResponse, whatever your favorite email autoresponder is. So when somebody joins your landing page, they're automatically added to that list. But if you want, inside of ClickFunnels, you can also set up entire autoresponder sequences right here inside of the editor. We can say day 1 send out this email, day 2 send out this email, day 3 send out this email, and very quickly you can have an autoresponder sequence built out for this funnel. And so far I've showed you a lot of things, but I've only scratched the surface on what's possible inside of ClickFunnels. As you get your free 14-day trial and you come in here and start playing around, you'll see a whole bunch of other really cool features and tools and things we have. For example, let's say you want to take the squeeze page and you want to take the opt-in button and just put it on your blog or on a different page. You can click right here on squeeze pop. So all you do is copy this code and paste it on your blog or any page that you want to have a button where somebody clicks and your pop-up comes up right there. It's very simple and very easy to do. You can do it with custom text, or if you want, you can drop in an image URL as well. That way you can make custom buttons and then copy this directly onto your blog. So it's pretty exciting. And that's just one of dozens of different features that you're going to discover and find out inside of ClickFunnels when you get your free 14-day trial. You've also got instant opt-in here. You've got WordPress and Facebook integrations and a whole bunch of other really amazing things that are going to transform your business forever. Okay? Now one more thing I want to show you before I give you your free trial is I want to show you all the different funnel types, because if you just join ClickFunnels today, then my guess is right now the only funnel type that's open is opt-in funnels. But over the next few days, every single day we're going to unlock a new funnel type. So right now you got opt-in funnels. In 2 or 3 days we're going to unlock sales funnels, which allow you to go and create smart sales funnels with upsells and downsells and multi-step order forms. You'll be able to integrate with Infusionsoft, Stripe, whatever your payment processor is, you can integrate it and then create your entire sales process, including your order forms and your upsell pages here inside of ClickFunnels. You're also going to be able to set up webinars or automated webinar funnels. There's no longer need to have expensive automated webinar software because ClickFunnels will do it all for you. If you want to create a membership site, the membership site funnel will be unlocking in about a week from now, and you'll be able to create the most amazing, beautiful membership sites that you can use and manage and control right here inside of ClickFunnels. If you have a product you want to launch, you can create a launch funnel. And again, let's say you got some crazy idea for a type of funnel you want to build out, you can do that inside of custom funnels. You can build anything that you can dream. Whatever you can imagine can become a funnel inside of ClickFunnels. Now we're excited because over the next 2 weeks we're going to be rolling out all these different funnel types, but for right now we want you to get your 14-day trial, log in here and create your very first opt-in lead capture funnel, because after you see how easy it is and how powerful it is, I promise you're never going to want to leave. Now about 2 months ago we opened our beta group and we let 1,000 people in to start using ClickFunnels and testing it and trying it and proving that it's the best software on the market. And the feedback we got afterwards was amazing. In fact, multiple people told us that now that they've used ClickFunnels, they know there's only 2 essential tools you have to run a business online. The first is your email autoresponder and the second is ClickFunnels. Now I know that I believe that, and I know that our members believe that, but now we want to prove it to you as well. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to give you a free 2-week trial account to ClickFunnels. You don't have to pay a penny, just log in, start creating some opt-in funnels, then create a sales funnel, then an automated webinar funnel or a membership site, but use it for 2 weeks and learn exactly how it works. And I promise you that if you do that, that just like our other members, you will know that outside the email autoresponder, ClickFunnels is the only other essential tool that you have to run a business online. So what are you waiting for? Get your free 2-week trial account.